Hi group admins. In the first video, we learned about how to set up your own white label. Along with that, we learned about settings, and then we also discussed a little bit on how the dashboards work. Along with that, how the startups work. Now going forward, I'm going to move to the section of fund management. There is a section here. I'm going to click on it, go to the list section. In case you're handling multiple funds or part of one or two funds, you can come over here and set up the entire fund. Please note, we are not offering services, so the entire compliance side, accounting side, you might want to do it on your own or hire some party. But apart from that, if you just want a view only access, along with that, do you want to share the information to the participants of that fund, you can manage it over here. If I click on add fund, I can name the investment fund. I can decide the investment name, the website, if I have any logos, whatever the target raise was, if there are any wiring instructions that you want to circulate within the investors, any deal related documents. Once you've set up all of these things, you create fund as open, do the settings, and then you can go ahead and upload fund related documents that any of the investors, while they want to participate, will have to come in and sign. This is an existing fund that we had previously created. If I go within it, I will see the target raise was this much, what has been the raised amount, how much amount from the raised amount has been invested. I can also see who the investors are, how much did the investor actually commit and how much did they wire. What is the status of the investor, when was the wiring date. I will also be able to see which companies did this particular fund invest in. So I see one company over here, there was an investment made of $100,000. When was this investment made? If there are any expenses, what is the pending amount? All of this information can be circulated. If there are multiple investments that you want to make from the particular fund, again, I'm going to add a company. Which company do I want to invest in? So let me just pick up one random company, invested, the date of investment, notes. I can add the amount, valuation. I can upload documents. All these activities can happen from the platform itself. Now that we have discussed about funds, I am going to jump to the forums. It is not very big. It is basic discussion board that you can create for your internal discussions. All the investors will be updated about this. Creation is very easy. You click on create discussion boards. You decide which visibility you want to opt for. The email subject line, you can upload images, you can update members. Either you can do it to various teams that we had previously created, due diligence team, deal leads, or all the users. I can do it right from here. There is another interesting thing called tasks. These are various tasks that you can assign to your investment group. These tasks can be created in multiple folds. For example, I am going to create a fresh task for you. I am going to say evaluate ABC company. Type of task will be demo. I can link this task to a particular startup. I can define my time zones. What should be the start date? This works. End date. This works. Description XYZ. Notification every 3 hours. And I have set this up. Now I can assign these tasks to various levels. I can probably assign it to an investor. This investor can be Lakshmikant. And it's done. Then there is a second layer to it. Once Lakshmikant has completed the given task, I can just assign a secondary task to the startup owner. Assigned. Then I can assign this task to an admin, probably me. Assign. And likewise, I can create multiple folds of the same task. Once I have made all the required updates, I can go ahead and hit save. This will then come under my task list. Whatever's overdue, I can see whatever are the future tasks. This is the one that we had previously created. I can see who's been assigned to it, when is it due, and I'll get notified whenever it is my turn to complete this task. So again, you can use this as a reminder to yourself, maybe streamline your own processes. Now that we've discussed tasks, I'm going to come to the investors side. You can see list of all the investors associated with your white label or with your investment group. If there are any activities related to these investors, I can undertake those activities. For example, I don't want them to be a part of my organization anymore, so I can go ahead and probably cancel them. Maybe there are some payments, maybe membership payments that are associated with them. I can simply regulate these activities right from here. Under the action section, I can change their password, I can update their groups, I can share their profiles across with the network. Again, I can approve the company, vote request, I can see their timelines, or I can just archive them. Once this is done, there's a voting dashboard. Again, it is pretty self-explanatory. You can go ahead and explore this product. You will be able to see audit logs, what is happening in the system. You can filter out. There is an inbuilt help desk in case there are glitches in the system, there is something that is not happening. Then you can simply raise a ticket from here. It will come to us, and within 48 working hours, we will get back to you. Apart from that, there is a section of knowledge base. We generally upload 2 files over here where the working of the system will be explained to you guys. If at all you want to add additional documents, for example, there would be a code of conduct or certain information or flyers that you want to circulate within your network, you can add them to this knowledge base, and every investor will have access to this. Now, I think we have completed all of this except for syndication wall and demo day. Demo day is an event management tool that I will be discussing in another video. But syndication wall, now this is a section where you would be able to share your startups with any other investor network. So for example, if I go over here, these are the companies that have been shared in the syndication wall. If any of the companies look good to me, I will probably pull them and add them to my investment network, and then my internal process starts to evaluate the company, and I can decide if we want to probably make an investment in this company or not. So similarly, you can also share your deals across to this syndication wall and let all other members of different white label be able to see them, expose them to these deals. All of that can be done through the syndication wall. There's another way to share your deals across. If you go under the startups, I had missed out on this. I'm going under the startups. If I click on 2-3 startups, I get these sections over here. Now through this, I will be able to share my startup to any other investment white label that is available on the platform. So maybe I want to share it with Tech Coast Angels. I'm going to click on it, and this deal will be shared with them, and they can take that deal forward as their own individual deal, but they will know that this deal was shared with them via your white label. Similarly, this is the button from where you can actually add these 2 companies to the syndication wall. Again, I can send an email out, I can update the stage pool, I can toggle them approve, I can archive the companies, basic instructions. This kind of completes your entire admin side of the deal flow management platform. I will connect with you again when we discuss demo day feature. Another thing, if you want to have any one-on-one discussions with us, feel free to email at info@startupsteroid.com, or you can message Anshuman, Ashish, or connect with me, Kritika, at kritika@startupsteroid.com. Bye bye.